I hope you're fine and doing well. In my this video, I will tell you about the mobile data problem, or you can say the network speed problem in your device Samsung A20e. But before starting, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move toward our today's topic. If your device is having any mobile data issue, like it is not working properly, or you are having any slow speed or network speed problem, you can solve this problem by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will able to learn how you can solve the network speed problem or mobile data problem in your device.